Yeah, so this is um it's a very
Okay.
common sort of way of talking that a ton of people in VR chat have. I'm assuming it's like a voice chat thing. I'm old, but I'm noticing it more and more. Like my generation had the telephone voice, and now younger people have the Discord VR chat voice.
The VR chat voice, LMAO.
That's fascinating. Um, well, now I want to study this telephone voice.
Okay,
Like
I
when
am
we
now
say
live
telephone voice,
if you wanna share chat.
I think I'm sharing chat with you already.
I'm not seeing it. Hold on.
God
Maybe I have
damn
to
it.
look here.
There's us, and then there's start sharing chat, and you press that button.
There it is.
There we go.
Nice.
Telephone voice. Oh my god. It is very odd how fast we're all changing here. Uh,
The times they truly be changing.
yeah, like I keep thinking, I keep denying the fact that I'm Gen Z, but apparently this is very evident that I am indeed Gen Z. uh, uh,
Oh
but
right.
yeah,
I forgot what I
how's
was
life
doing.
been, Noodle?
It's
You
been
you
alright. Um Back to work, which is
Mhm,
nice. And
mhm.
also shit.
How you feeling?
Feeling good. Feeling good physically, mentally. Uh I just forgot that work is how it is. So
Mm,
that's fun.
mm. Yeah, you guys are well, I assume you're releasing a project soon. I didn't check.
I have no idea. You know how timelines be.
I don't know
Oh,
when things come out.
I forgot I have to put my gun away.
Sorry, what?
I don't know if you see my stream, but I forgot to
God,
hide my gun.
I didn't. Oh man, I forgot to pull up your stream. Here, there you are. There you are.
Here, I'll just sit here doing this until you can see it.
Ah, yep, I see it.
Yeah, I gotta put that away.
Also, what am I getting this ad for? Oh, god damn it, it was a credit card company. I like to
Nice.
guess sometimes with these abstract ads of like what are they trying to sell me?
Hi, Geo. No crimes. I've left that life
Yet.
behind me.
Wait, did you finish Red Dead?
Kind of. I finished the last chapter, but there are two epilogues that I'm not sure I
Okay.
want to play right now. We'll see.
I think one of my favorite parts of the game is part of the epilogue.
Really? Okay. Well, maybe I should
If I
play it
remember
then.
correctly, it's yeah. Beaker.
We labbing.
I just realized on the chat thingy in your stream manager, it shows you which person's chat things are from. It's so cute.
Oh.
There's just like a little bee and then a
Oh, I
little
see it.
U.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so
Cute.
cute. Okay. Like telephone voice for my generation is that guy making that is that guys make their voice sound like a few octaves lower and speak with a louder tone. You've 100% witnessed it, like in a restaurant and a group of guys are just having a nice quiet chat and then the phone rings and all of a sudden the guy on the phone is louder than everyone else in the building. Fascinating. Um, I think I do something similar to that. Like when I'm on phone calls, I think I raise my octaves like a couple of or raise my pitch a couple octaves.
Nice.
And then I always imagine that if I ever get stopped by the cops, I'm gonna do a southern drawl and hope they don't give me a ticket.
I hope they don't give me a ticket. I don't think that's how it works.
I don't know. A streamer, can you give me an artist badge for making the wave? If I knew how, I would.
It's
I think I can.
yeah, it's something you'd have to go into the settings for.
Okay. That's a where's my pen and I'll write it down on something. Art, 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 art.
Yes. That turn looks fine. This turn looks wrong. So it's the turn
What are
to
you
the
working
right.
on?
I'm back to Snake Game.
Ooh,
I don't know if you can I don't know if you see it,
looking at it.
but notice
Look
how
at the boy
like
go.
notice how this turn looks fine, but this
Mm.
turn does not. Like that turn piece. Oh, sorry, Gio, I messed you up.
I love everything about this game.
I feel like I need higher res textures. I feel like they're too low res. Ozen Snords, hello, how are you? Bonka 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 bonka. Oh, we have to do the overlap today. That's what we were doing.
I was I was wondering what you mean by that. That's cute.
Yeah, so that instead of colliding, they like go up and over. 175, let's fucking go. Sorry.
What about some ragdoll physics of you just boink off each other?
Oh, that ain't. If you saw how it worked behind the scenes, that ain't how it works.
I think about apparently dropping shit. I don't know what I just dropped. Ooh,
Nice.
You know what? It could be the pair of sunglasses I had on my desk. I was telling people earlier that I had to bring all my shit back from work. I have. It's just so much stuff. Let's see. Alright, so now that I have Noodle all audioed, I'm gonna yoink a little bit of the tad bit of music on my side.
Hydrophobic, hello, how are you?
Hi, Hydrophobic. What's your favorite drink?
Taro, bubble tea.
Ooh. I haven't had
That's like...
No, I had recently, I think it was called roasted plum oolong bubble tea.
Ooh. That sounds really good.
It was a very odd. Not in a bad way. I don't think I quite liked it. It was unique, you know, because there's like the normal stuff that you have for bubble teas, but this one is just like, it really did taste like roasted plum. What am I doing here?
I just keep watching Gio get fucking robbed of this cookie. I keep just missing it by a square.
What's the other one? Is that a hamburger?
Yeah, it's a hamburger.
Did you make these assets?
No, Dead Sun did. Dead Sun made them for me.
Goodness.
They're really, really good.
Nice. That's delightful.
Oh right, there were a couple things I was working on. I forgot.
You and me both. I had to remember what I was working on when I got on.
I have my notepad out so I can make sure that I know what I'm doing. Oh, Locknose here. Hello. I'll leave this running while I figure out what is on the list for today. Hey yo! Thank you for the resub. I appreciate you. Xenoscape's here. Hell yeah. Oh right, yeah. Okay. Okay. So I think number one, I need to fix UVs. That's number one. Control didn't work in that message? Oh! No, that's... Well, you see, you didn't chat. You've just subscribed. I think a subscribe should be like an auto 10 points. Pay to win.
Noodle, what have you come to?
Pay to win.
become the
Give
thing
me
you,
money.
You've become the thing you sought to destroy. Ooh, I like that cup. That's one of those vaporwave cups, right?
Yes. I love
my
that. I love
God.
that fucking design.
I love it.
Fucking great.
I kind of miss everything being teal.
Let's see. I had a thought. Maybe spawn things in every so many seconds, as aiming for one item is pretty tricky. That makes so much sense. I'm actually gonna put that number 2 on my list.
Are you also gonna add things that reduce your size?
Yes, we do have. Dead Sun made me like all this level geometry and shit that we can work with.
Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so good.
Like where you can like actually lose points if you run into spikes, but if you run into like just dirt or like just a wall piece, then you'll just like bounce off. So I do like that, spawning food for however many seconds. And then what's number 3 on my list? Overlap. Overlap's gonna be really hard though, so. And then maybe just for fun, I'll try to get, well, I don't know how I'd do that actually. Local multiplayer.
As in 2 people on your computer?
Yeah, like, I guess the idea would be that one day when this is actually polished to like release a version of it on Steam or something that has just like local multiplayer, so you'd all play on one screen. Hi Kurt and Aunt Gobo, hello! How are we? Welcome in. We're doing more dev stuff. Yeah, more dev. More dev.
Divvy dev dev.
I was just telling Dinah how I'm not sure how much I want to do the epilogue right now. It just feels different now. It feels different.
I'm dying to see your reactions to the epilogues, though.
Okay, I will play it. Eventually.
That was easy.
Through their rest. No, or arrow keys too. Yeah, that makes sense. See, but it's almost like the bit that I cared about is like done, you know? I don't know. Maybe that's mean. Okay, so I think I have my... I do need a quit command, absolutely. That is also on my list.
Oh, hey Kurt. I just looked at chat. How you be is good. Trying to figure out shit. What's your favorite drink? Now I can't get over. I'm still thinking about the Coke and why they need to have 5 bajillion variations of basically the same product. Just add sugar.
For fun.
Why not?
Let's do some dev work. Now that I have this figured out. And I think we decided it was this piece that was fucked up. So like on this one, for whatever reason they're upside down, but for that one, you can actually read it. But for that one, it's backwards, right? Okay. So what axis does this need to be rotated over? Or sorry, flipped. Oops. Can I not flip it? How do I flip my UVs? Transform?
Isn't there a function for that? In,
flip. There it is.
Maya?
We'll buy him. Can I read that? Yeah, I can. it turned red though. I think that's correct, but it turned red. Wait, you can do it in Unreal? What the fuck? We're definitely doing it there. I don't want to fucking re-export. How do I do that? Coke literally have an inside joke about their unfair share of the market. What? I know nothing about Coke. This is drama I wasn't ready for. Ashes. Lurking while drunk. Hope that's okay. Well, welcome.
This is not the. I don't think this is the best stream to drunk watch, but.
Oh, you can just. Oh, I would have to do it.
That is a very cute emote, though.
I agree.
Oh my. Is that like a little Typhlosion? I love Typhlosion. Good little boy.
Easy enough to set up. See, but they all read the same material. Like, do I care about that? Is that gonna fuck things up? Oh, but I do use... No, I can do it over here, right? Oh, wait. What the fuck?
No.
Is this not... Oh my god. Nearest, is that why I've had this fucking... Jesus. That's why I've had that shitty red glow around everything. I'm an idiot. Oh yeah, a lot of this I'm not... Honestly, I should clean this out. A lot of this I'm not using right now. But that's like the cel-shaded thing. Like, but I don't need this stuff because this is all dots. And I'm not using dots. So get out of here.
You sure you don't need it?
Yes.
Well, okay. Nothing seems to be happening.
I did just delete something that I needed to have.
Maybe we should both start considering using version control.
I'm using version control.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. Yeah, don't
Really?
say.
We don't need a... Oh, you're not using a revision control software, though.
Well, I'm using GitHub.
Oh, okay, no, that is. What am I talking about?
Okay.
Shit. I've just been saving stuff.
Yeah, I'm on GitHub. Oh my god, did that seriously not save that either? You asshole. Save. I feel like I don't need any of this. Yeah, no. This isn't being used.
Okay.
Did you know that the code for GitHub is on GitHub? That's sick. My version controllers copy the project and zip it. Nice. Well, that's one way to do it.
We did that once, so that was a pain in the butt.
Zip.
Never again.
And then I don't need this. Go. I don't need that. What even was that? I don't know. I think everything else I need, though. Okay. So this would be for... Oh, wait, I see. Okay. So I think I just have everything... Hold on. How am I assigning materials?
Okay.
Am I assigning materials? I might not be. No, I'm not. Okay. So that means I can do whatever I want. I think spending 10 years fixing projects has gotten me to a point where there isn't much that can train wreck my workflow now. Nice. Just gonna make that a turn too because I think I need to flip over. I don't remember which axis, but we're gonna try this one. No, it's not that one because that's the up and down axis. I think I need to flip it on X.
You have the little gizmo on the left, if that helps. Bottom left of your.
Oh, it doesn't give me the
U?
UV space though.
XY? Is that what you?
Yeah, I guess U is X, V is Y, right? Like if I do it here. Although, of course, it would be Y and Z right now. I hate that. Whatever. I will die on the hill of Y up.
I kind of like Z up. I don't. I think a lot of the programs I end up using are Z up, except Maya. It's defaulted to Y, I think, right?
Yeah, I think that defaults to Y. Z up all the way. Like, I get it. I get the logic, but
There's logic to it. I deadass don't know why we have any of them different.
Well, I figured it's like if you're looking straight down. Well, I guess it's like whether you're. I don't know. Ignore what I said.
There is a reason. I just don't know the reason.
I don't know the reason either. I don't know shit. Play. Let's see how this looks. Well, that's not right. Where is that right? Hold on, I'm not long enough. Give me 1 second. I'm sure it has to do with math. Fuck math. No, that's right. Or wait, is that one wrong now?
Oh.
No, that's the one I had to fix. What the fuck?
Oh, that's why. Okay.
Rude.
Oh, this is complicated. Okay.
Oh, you know what? I'm sure I'm assigning it that. Oi, oi, oi. Am I even setting a material though? What am I looking at? What am I doing, dude?
The reason is to do with mathematic graphs.
Maths.
I'm sure that means something to someone, but it's still not me.
Your knowledge is wasted on us.
Well, to be fair, like, how many classes of math? I only did one math class, and it was actually below what I did in high school.
I did none math class.
Wait, you got out of it?
Yeah, I got out of it.
Nice. I think I needed a 4 to get out of on the APs to get out of it, and which is dumb because it was like a 4 in calc to get out of. I think it was like pre-algebra or algebra. I don't remember.
Because hopefully it was pre-calc. Pre-algebra is like.
I don't know if it was pre-calc. I don't think it was. I just was like, why am I here? That's all I could think of is why am I here? What did I want to do?
This shit ain't working. I hate people. Is this really not, like, legit? Does it have to do with the panner I'm using? No, because that would still go up. Fuck it. We're gonna export. This is annoying. The source code for Git. Oh, Git is on Git. Oh. GitHub.com/gitgit. I love that.
They knew exactly what they were doing.
Oh, yes. See, wait, hold on. Unless it's the other way. Wait, because the head's pointing this way, isn't it? No, it's pointing that way. What the fuck? What am I doing? Oh, here's what we can try, though. We can try putting that on the other turn piece. Where am I looking? Try that. See, but wait a second. These have to be making materials. Oh my god. Hold on, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. I have to go in here. Snake body. Oh god, okay. Yeah, because I'm making a dynamic material, so they... okay, so they do have to do that. I think it's just going to be easier to re-export at this point. Let's do it. Don't look at my files. This is turn 2, I believe. Why does my system sounds not muted? Shut up.
Did you do an update recently?
Maybe. Well, no. I don't think so. Maybe.
What the hell am I listening to?
What are you listening to?
Whatever Riot's free creator safe stuff. Oh my god. Or an Afronad. You know, now that I don't have my block and stuff, it's sometimes you just gotta hear ads.
That tracks, you know?
Yeah.
I need turn 2.
Why is this working? Definitely using this wrong then.
Let's just try that. Oh, you can't see. Alright, that works. Whee! Two candy apples. That's crazy. Bonk. Sent you a DM with simple shader texture, tile coordinate. Ooh, very cool. That'll be helpful for me. I'm working on my secret project, and I need to learn a lot more about material bullshit in order to get that working. You might need to add your own stuff into it, but it's a basic premise. Yes, absolutely. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Secret projects.
Secret project.
I love it. Do you know when you're gonna get done with that?
No idea.
Yes.
No clue. Secret squirrel project. You're right. A bonka 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 bonka. You did that on purpose. I wonder if we're both stuck now.
Is this working?
Oh, we're not. Okay, cool. Ah. You know what? Yeah, we should definitely. Oh, I see. You're stuck up there. Neat. My delay feels less today. Oh, interesting. But yeah, you're up there. Yeah, there you are. Yeah, those turn pieces seem to be going though, so I can cross that off my list. Gotta cross it off on both sides or I'm gonna forget. That's another thing, maybe the borders of the screen add some border art. Yeah. No, that tracks, yeah. Well, we have... We have those grass pieces. Or something like that. Yeah, so that you, like, don't quite so visibly hide behind these, but I don't know. I definitely need it so that you can't be here. Could you accept north, south, east, west? I guess... Well, I guess there's no reason not to, right? Bit like Bomberman or something. We could probably accept cardinal directions. But yeah, we do have those grass assets. I think that could be fun to just put on the borders here. I think the W, if WAS was the W or West was going to interfere with it, probably, yeah. I guess that makes sense. I wondered about using WAS, but then that would conflict with D for down. Yeah. My ping is sick right now. Just barely. Okay, but now we don't have, well, for the most part, we don't have that annoying fucking red outline that I couldn't figure out how to fix. Oh god, and you're out there now. Okay. I do have to tweak that. Let's change the min and max to be a little bit inward, and then we'll do like a little grass thing. We'll do a little decal at the end. I like that idea. Cool. I'm hoping you can get these. And then I'm gonna stop it. Unless you're done. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. Whee! I'm also gonna check what Geo sent me. Ooh. Show that. Aw. Extra coordinate multiply. Oh, okay. So this figures out what tile you're on. Okay. This is so interesting because I need to hit you up about this secret project. Cause I double dot. I see wide and I immediately know who it is. But I have a material, like a post-process material that I got it working, but I need to tweak it, except I don't know how it works. I like, for the life of me, like, I'm racking my brain over how it's supposed to work, and I can't fucking figure it out, so I might reach out to you about that. Oh, I am so short. Why would you do this? I cry. Okay, what's next? What's next? Spawn food per X seconds. We can do that. I'd like to have a signature redeems that are not too disturbing to the stream. Well, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Okay, spawn food per X number of seconds is actually gonna be easy. Biblically accurate noodle cat. You're still there, right, Dinah?
Yeah, I'm just thinking a lot.
That's fair. No, I'm just making sure. Making sure the call didn't drop and I didn't notice. We got that. Can't join twice, Goober. Okay, so I already have the spawn food thing. So I think I do want it to spawn when a new snake joins. Well, actually, maybe I don't. We'll see. We'll leave that there. Maybe we'll leave these there, but on top of that, we'll like loop through making some food. So how did we do that?
Biblically accurate noodle. Ooh, that'd be a fun one. Like, just you with a bunch of wings and eyes.
I'm already biblically accurate. Haven't you read the Bible? Obviously, I'm in it. What am I doing? Oh. We can do the same thing we did. Food spawn. And we can do an event track on 0, right? What we did last time. Make the track. Well, let's test it, right? Let's test at 5 seconds. Right now it's 12:30 at night. I'm gonna wind down for the night, and I also have some work tomorrow. But it's on my own time, not client time, so like the next 24 hours is a good window to throw me. Oh, okay. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know. And also, it's a secret personal project, so it's not like I have a timeline. So no rush on any of that. For sure. Noted. Yeah. Yeah, so if you can't get back, it's no big deal. What am I trying to check here? What am I doing? Snake username? No. Spawn food. Well, this already checks if it has a food position or is on a snake position, so that should be okay. Is there anything else that I can fix in the meantime? No, I should do one thing at a time. Well, it's been 5 seconds. I guess first things first, I should have it print. Oh wait, how do I have this one working? Maybe that's what I wanted to check. Oh, yeah, no, that's fine. Okay. Become a tech lead without a team to lead. / teach, so I'm clearly trying to fill that gap. Going lurk mode, I appreciate the lurk. I appreciate the lurk. On. Compile save. Print spawn. Okay. It doesn't have to like fucking... Maybe it needs an update. Imagine encountering a floating cake slicer. I'd fucking eat it, that's what I'd do. Munch. Maybe we have to do an actual timer. Yeah, I would eat it. Date timer. Set timer by function name. Just spawn food every 5 seconds. Well, don't I have to clear the time? Shit. I have to make the timer. And then I have to like clear the timer, don't I? So then I have to update timer. And try that. Well, that didn't even do one. Oh, there's one. Is there not another one? Hold on, wait. Is the min and max correct here? They are, okay. I feel like those should be smaller though. Oh, I can see into the future. 2 minus 9. 9. Minus 13. 13. And I think that has to be the same in here. Although what I should do is make these references. It's already 13, what the fuck? Whatever. Now I want floating cake. A cake so light and fluffy it floats, that would be sick. I'm not a big cake person, but you make it sound appealing. Where's my spawn food? I never did add the cheese. Need the cheese, and need the donut. There we go. So after this I need it to print. Print spawn for me, please. There's one spawn. So unproductive today, were you? Did you have to be productive though?
Good point. It's a Monday. Who's productive on Mondays?
I don't want to sound too intrusive, but why you got Microsoft Store? Why the fuck is that here?
Did your computer update lately?
I don't think it did. Get out of here. Get off my taskbar. It's not open,
Go
but it's
away.
there. Get out of here.
No one likes you.
Oh, some deadlines are coming up? Boo. That's no fun. Oh, looping. Dog. Cool, so there's one. Okay, so I do think that 5 seconds is too fast. I'm thinking 15. Oh my god. I haven't even been streaming an hour, but my neck and back hurt.
You sure that's not just from work?
Well, I mean, I've only been back to work for a little bit, and I stand for most of work. I don't know. I do not know. Cool. We got spawning food. Hell yeah. Oh god, we gotta overlap. There we go. So that's all in here. So, instead of this, can I like set a different fucking Boolean, please? Not cheap, but I recommend a hag chair. What? Uh-huh.
Is that an IKEA chair?
Oh. Is it this guy you're talking about? Not that you can see right now. Oh, well, they have all sorts of things.
Ooh.
See the chairs. Oh, look at that. Oh, is this the kind that you can like, yeah,
Like sit in any position you want.
I think so.
Ooh.
Maybe? Show me the chair. Yeah, you can sit on it like that. I think I'd use the hell out of that.
Oh, is it like one of those bisexual chair kind of things?
Yeah. Create your own. Ask for price.
Nice.
Please. Ooh.
You can get different colors.
I'm gonna make my dream chair. Hold on a second.
And then you're gonna model it, chuck it in your scene.
Yeah. I think Noodle would absolutely just wrap around the bits of that. What do you mean a bisexual
chair?
Well, that's like the joke, right? That like the gays
Bisexuals.
can't sit in chairs, right?
Yeah.
I don't know why that's a joke, but
I don't remember, but like I think specifically on the internet, the bisexual chair is like it reminds me a bit of like sitting on a ladder, but it's a chair. I fidget a lot, so having something I can switch positions in is great. Yeah, I feel that. I
like that.
I sit like a gremlin. Currently, I'm crisscross, and I can only do that because I have a new chair.
what's a lift? Is that how high I can go?
It's a very cute picture Noodle wrapped around it. What about gay lesbian chair?
I have no idea.
I don't know. I just know it's called the bisexual chair.
See, I don't think I'd super want it to. Maybe I do want it to roll around.
Let's see. Steelcase Series 2, which is very nice. Highly recommend. But can you sit in the weirdest positions possible?
I think maybe I'd want a foot ring. I don't know. I'm just so distracted. Bisexual chair. Chair hanger? No, I don't need that. Ask for price. Ask for price, pretty please. To make sure it doesn't.
Just say you're a
anything
streamer.
Stupid. Request quote? This is so fucking funny. I have to quote it?
One of those places.
Okay, what if I don't do that? What if I just pick one? No, I still have to ask for price? That's crazy. I wonder how much it is. It's one of those if you have to ask for the price, you can't afford it. Well, yeah, but...
I mean, one time I had to ask for a
stream.
price, and they gave us a nice discount.
Ooh. I like a
I
discount.
asked nicely, though.
Ask nicely. So we'll check for wall collisions separate from checking for snake collisions. Right? So if we... Ugh.
Ew. I just opened this tutorial and immediately sent me to coding in C++. Can't make me.
It's about 800 UK without the headrest. See?
Oh my god, what the fuck?
See, but if it's a good chair, like if I'm not gonna have to buy another chair after that, basically, like not that I'm made of money or anything, but it's the sort of thing of like, you end up paying more if you like buy a shitty thing over and over again than if you just like buy really, really good once. Like it might be something to save up for.
A good chair, yeah. What's
Long
the policy
warranty?
I like to follow? Anything that separates you, your feet from the ground, you should invest in. Which I guess technically applies to chairs.
Like a private jet. Sorry, anyway.
Gotta clip that.
I'm going for an asexual chair. That's just the floor, my friend. That's just the floor.
The floor is our only love.
Snake. Snake overlap. A drummer's duel? Yeah, absolutely. I think I'll set a separate variable for that so that it'll break. But it'll break if it detects an overlap. Oy, so if true... Oh, fuck. So if true, we have to do some dumb fucking shit. Also, I'm gonna move all of this. Actually, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. If true... Oh wait, this is a fucking function? I can't call an event in here? Oi. That's annoying. have to replace this too. So if get snake overlap, we have to do some dumb bullshit. Well, first of all, we have to pick up or down. Oh my god, this is gonna hurt my brain. Okay. So, hold on a second. This is totally gonna break my brain. Absolutely gonna break my brain. So... See, but this isn't where I'm spawning in new things. I think I do need a separate function for this. We can call that snake overlap. So then what the fuck is snake overlap? What am I doing here exactly? That's alright. It's time to pull up MS Paint.
Ah, yes, my favorite.
Or even better, hold on.
No, bring up.
Sprite.
Just use paint. I used it earlier.
Well, if I use A Sprite, then it actually lets me do nice pixels.
Ooh.
It's like way overkill for this, but I'm gonna do it.
Okay. If you add curses.
Let's see what Dinah's working on.
I'm trying to understand this forum post because I think instead read them in animation blueprint and save as a variable, then apply. Okay.
Oh dear.
What is it?
The big ass switch on
so-
name.
As it turns out, whatever I was doing in my animation blueprint was not actually doing anything.
Oh?
I think the last stream, I thought that doing all this shit in the event graph of like trying to say, do this after this happens, this number happens in this data, it's not doing it. And I know why, I just don't know why, how to fix it.
Oh, I see.
I'll explain this better when I have not been staring at a screen for...
Too
How long
long.
has my stream been going on? 2 hours? Too long. Remember when we used to have classes for 3 hours?
Barely.
I like to forget about that.
Me too.
Should...
Okay, we got that. So this is like too fucking big, but if I zoom the fuck in. So we got a noodle, right? That's like this. And say you're coming in this way. Oh. You come on in. And you're here, right? If you detect that you're gonna collide right here, then I need to spawn a piece that goes up, over, down, and then continues. How the fuck do I do that?
Also, not to complicate things, but instead of doing it on collision with the current or the other snake pixel, do you have like a hitbox or something?
No.
Okay, never mind then.
No, this is entirely vectors and what
Never mind.
location a thing occupies. It's true. So I need to basically spawn a piece that goes up like this. And then I need it to check if it can go down again. Right? Because there could be someone right here. And I need for it to be able to go over again and then over. So here's what I'm thinking. Oh gosh. Okay. So head positions here. If new head positions here. Well, first we can try to get the head to lerp, right? Or if there's a wall behind the snake you go over? I think you would still go over it. We are thinking that there are no walls right now, though. I freaking love vectors.
Yeah, they go pew in both directions? Or is that a line?
It's in one direction, right? It's like the whole.
Yeah, because a line is in
shtick?
both directions. Vector goes in one direction. A segment is a defined length.
Yeah.
I don't remember
vectors
why this
have
was
length too,
important.
don't they? No, distance between
Infinite
vectors
length,
have length. Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, I
don't
can't
know,
remember why we
math.
learned this. Was it geometry?
I don't fucking know.
Eh.
So here's the thought. Although that's gonna fuck me up. I can't do that. Never mind. Because my thought was to make this one piece. Because then I could spawn that in, but I don't think I can. I think it has to be individual pieces. Oh, dumb text. Yeah, no, the overlap and underlap is gonna be annoying. It said enter dumb text. Well, you did. You truly did. See, I feel like I can't do an overlap. Vector and maths can have various definitions if you change bases. Yeah, no, you started putting X in there and I stopped reading. That's too much math.
Oh
Snake
no, not polynomials.
Fuck that.
Yes, sorry, hydrophobic. We're very math phobic.
It's so big. God, yeah, this is destroying my back. I literally might have to stop.
Are you like crouching on your chair? Like, what is your posture like, man?
No, I'm like trying to sit upright. Okay, here's the thing. I'm Googling it. I was Googling it the other day, and I need to lean back in my chair. But because I got this new mic and I have to be really close to it, I lean forward.
Wait,
So it's like my upper... What's that?
you don't have a mic boom shit.
What?
You don't have an arm for your mic?
I do have an arm for my mic, but it only goes so far.
I'll send you the Amazon link for the one I have. It's a little, I don't know how big yours is, but mine was like, I think less than $50, and it's pretty nice.
Mine's also hooked to the back of my desk because I wanted it out of the way. But yeah, that means it doesn't go very far.
You're gonna have to be a podcaster, just put it like right next to you.
I think I have to. Like seriously, I need to I need to make like a chest rig so that I like wear a harness and it just stays by me.
Or you can get one of those clip-on mics.
Oh, that's gonna sound like shit.
I mean, some of them aren't terrible. I think a few VTubers use them. Have to get the right one.
Yeah. Oy. It is actually destroying my back though. I might literally raid into you. So that I can go lay down.
I might be finishing this up because my brain hurts.
Oh, that tracks. You've been on for way longer than I have.
Either that or I can start, well, it is getting a little late, on my end. I don't know, I could go, stream... I wanted to play... Ooh, I'm getting a ad for Rolex?
Oh, wow.
I thought it was the military for a second, so I was like, okay, this is fine.
Nice.
Yeah, I was gonna play another, I don't know. What am I saying? I was gonna play another game tomorrow.
Oh.
Okay.
Where's my grass? I was thinking maybe I'll put the grass in and then figure out what I'm doing with my life. There's my grass. Oh, I see.
If Google is actually getting worse because I want documentation, but it gives me everything but documentation first.
Oh, Google's definitely getting worse.
Okay, I was watching a video about it and I'm like, I don't know, man, that sounds a little sus. That's coming from me who just chucks out a bunch of conspiracy theories all the time.
Nice.
Oh, gosh.
So maybe here's what we'll do. Let's make a blueprint for this.
This isn't neat either. Map developments.
It's so small. You know what? No, we're gonna do this later. We're gonna do this later. My back hurts. I have my list though, so that's good.
I'm proud of you for having a list because I don't have one.
What's that?
I don't have a list of stuff. Oh, I
Oh.
should, but I don't.
I got a list. I gotta figure out this overlap. This is gonna fucking suck. Nah, we'll see what happens. Barber. Okay. How are you? Are you thinking about staying on?
I need to think about this. Stream. Brain is small. Who we rating? Rating. Can we rate together?
I don't know. I imagined we would, but I don't know how this works.
Let me see. What other functionality does this dumb thing have? Manage. Collaboration settings. I guess we could just throw it in the chat command and it'll just do a thing.
Maybe.
That's exactly how this works. Shoot, that's not what I wanted. This one.
I see that Rusty's on if you want to go say hi to Rusty. Oh, just came on.
You're my only friend who's on, or who I follow is on.
Nice.
What the heck?
Well, Rusty
None
does,
of my friends.
I think, Unity? I'm pretty sure in Unity, but has like a really cool environment and stuff. Some fun
I was gonna
shaders
say,
and things.
Good person for doing Unity, because I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, fuck that.
Alright, let's do group. I imagine. Yeah. I think if you run the command in chat, then it'll do the thingy that we wanted to do.
Well, let's try it. Let's see.
conspiracy theory, hyperbolic geometry is primarily used to confuse math students and instead really useful else?
Ah.
If you're off
If you're
rest
off
up,
rest
then I'll
up.
catch you later.
Yes, yeah. I'm gonna bounce. I'm gonna go lay down.
We're both gonna bounce.
Yeah, thanks for hopping on though. It was
Yep.
it was fun.
I think I'm gonna try to do more dev stuff on Monday, so if you're ever
Nice.
free after, come join me.
I shall.
Any VTubers are welcome that do
Whee.
shits.
Dev time.
Woo! Dev time! Alright. I'll let you do the raidy shits because I don't think I followed Rusty.
Nice. Well, I will spin for the way out then. Whee.
Make sure you hydrate, people.
Yes,
Hydrate or
hydrate.
dihydrate. Hydrate or dihydrate.
Say hi to Rusty. Whee.
Wee.